In this lesson, we will see the application of जैसे ही, or in English we call it as soon as or no sooner than. There are certain sentences where we find two actions, they are placed next to each other. In that case, either we are using as soon as or we are saying no sooner than. For example, if we see this sentence, as soon as he wakes up, he will check his email. He will check his mail. So as soon as he wakes up, he will check his mail. Now in Urdu we call it जैसे ही वो बेदार होता है. बेदार होना mean उठना. We can translate in three different ways, like जैसे ही वो बेदार होता है mean as soon as he wakes up. Wakes up mean बेदार होना, or you may also say उठना. जैसे ही वो बेदार होता है अपनी मेल देखेगा, or we can also translate as जैसे ही बेदार होगा वो अपनी मेल देखेगा. जैसे ही बेदार होगा वो अपनी मेल देखेगा, और जैसे ही वो उठेगा अपनी मेल देखेगा. So all three sentences, they are giving the same meanings. There are two parts or two actions which are placed next to each other, and one action immediately comes after the other. For example, जैसे ही वो बेदार होता है अपनी मेल देखेगा mean there is no gap between these two actions. Moment this action completes, the other action will take place. In one part we find the words जैसे ही, or in English as soon as, whereas the other part without as soon as, and that is called main task. So the task with as soon as or जैसे ही is known as the subtask. As soon as he wakes up, he will check his mail. जैसे ही वो बेदार होता है अपनी मेल देखेगा. Let's see some more examples. जैसे ही आप घर पहुंचते हैं मुझे कॉल करें या मुझे कॉल कीजिए. As soon as you reach home, please call me. So please call me is the main action, whereas as soon as you reach home is sub action. So with as soon as in Urdu we call it जैसे ही. As soon as you reach home, जैसे ही आप घर पहुंचते हैं, please call me, मुझे कॉल कीजिए. Because here we have please, so it's better use कीजिए. And if it's just call me, then you can say मुझे कॉल करें. In second sentence, as soon as I reach home, I will call you. जैसे ही मैं घर पहुंचता हूं आपको कॉल करूंगा. Please notice that we will use the future tense in the main part or the main action. The sub action we will not use the future tense. As soon as I reach home, I will call you. जैसे ही मैं घर पहुंचता हूं आपको कॉल करूंगा. Now in third sentence, as soon as he wakes up, he will check his mail. This sentence I have already explained. So there are three different interpretation in Urdu. जैसे ही वो बेदार होता है अपनी मेल देखेगा. जैसे ही बेदार होगा वो अपनी मेल देखेगा. And third, जैसे ही वो उठेगा, बेदार होना या उठना is the same. जैसे ही वो उठेगा मीन जैसे ही वो अपने बिस्तर से उठेगा. जैसे ही वो उठेगा अपनी मेल देखेगा. In next sentence, as soon as he woke up, he checked his mail. Now here we are using past tense, and in past tense both parts, the main action and sub action, they are in past. As soon as he woke up, he checked his mail. जैसे ही वो उठा, मीन woke up, और जैसे ही वो बेदार हुआ, जैसे ही वो उठा, उसने अपनी मेल देखी और उठते ही उसने अपनी मेल देखी. मोमेंट ही woke up, he checked his mail. So जैसे ही वो उठा, as soon as he woke up, उसने अपनी मेल देखी, he checked his mail. Then they started the game as soon as rain stopped. जैसे ही बारिश रुकी, उन्होंने खेल शुरू कर दिया. As soon as rain stopped, जैसे ही बारिश रुकी, they started the game, उन्होंने खेल शुरू कर दिया. It makes no difference if you start the sentence with main action or the sub action. For example, we say जैसे ही बारिश रुकी, उन्होंने खेल शुरू कर दिया. We can also say उन्होंने खेल शुरू कर दिया जैसे ही बारिश रुकी. But in Urdu, we prefer to use जैसे ही in the beginning of the sentence. So जैसे ही बारिश रुकी, उन्होंने खेल शुरू कर दिया. In next sentence, they will resume the game as soon as rain stops. Now here we have the use of future tense. They will resume the game as soon as rain stops. जैसे ही बारिश रुकती है, as soon as rain stops, present indefinite tense. जैसे ही बारिश रुकती है, वो खेल शुरू कर देंगे, future tense, वो खेल शुरू कर देंगे. In Urdu, we sometimes break this law. Both action are in future. So we can use any of these two forms. And third is बारिश के रुकते ही वो खेल शुरू कर देंगे. So in Urdu you can use any one of these three, whereas in English it has they will resume the game as soon as rain stops, or as soon as rain stops they will resume the game. I reached home sooner than she left. Now this is another phrase, sooner than. Sooner than means something which is before another action. So I reached home sooner than, it means I reached home first, then she left. So I reached home sooner than she left. उसके जाने से पहले, उसके जाने से पहले mean before she leave, उसके जाने से पहले मैं घर पहुंच गया. I reached home before she left. So I reached home sooner than she left. जैसे ही मैं घर पहुंचा, वो चलती बनी. चलती बनी मीन वो चल पड़ी. It means that he reached home and then she left. So I reached home sooner than she left. उसके जाने से पहले ही मैं घर पहुंच गया, या जैसे ही मैं घर पहुंचा वो चलती बनी. Now the negative format of this form can be I had not reached the home sooner than she left. मेरे घर पहुंचने से पहले ही वो चली गई थी, और मैं अभी घर नहीं पहुंचा था कि वो चली गई, या जैसे ही मैं घर पहुंचा वो जा चुकी थी. So this set of three sentences have the same meaning as we have the meaning here in the four sentences of the set in English. I had not reached the home sooner than she left, or I had reached the home no sooner than she left. No sooner had I reached the home than she left, or she had left sooner than I reached home. It makes the same, that she left before I reached. So मेरे घर पहुंचने से पहले ही वो चली गई थी, मैं अभी घर नहीं पहुंचा था कि वो चली गई, जैसे ही मैं घर पहुंचा वो जा चुकी थी. So in this lesson we have seen the application of जैसे ही, and there are many situations where we will be combining two actions after one another. जैसे ही वो आया मैं निकल पड़ा, या जैसे ही अजान हुई मैंने रोज़ा अफ्तार किया, जैसे ही घंटी बजी मैंने दरवाज़ा खोला, जैसे ही लाइट ग्रीन हुई मैंने गाड़ी भगा दी, जैसे ही आंख खुली मैं उठ खड़ा हुआ, जैसे ही उसने शॉट लगाई मैं दौड़ पड़ा, جیسے ہی بارش رکی ہم نے میچ شروع کر دیا. جیسے ہی چھٹی ہوئی میں گاڑی کی طرف چل پڑا. So there are many occasions where we are combining two actions after one another. So that's all in this lesson. Thank you very much.